Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a partition in Windows 10 step by step. To create a new partition in Windows 10, start by pressing Windows plus X on your keyboard and then select Disk Management from the menu. Once the Disk Management window opens, look for your main drive, usually labeled E. Right-click on it and choose Shrink Volume. Windows will calculate how much space is available to shrink. Enter the amount of space you want for your new partition in megabytes, for example, 50,000 MB for a 50 GB partition, and click Shrink. Once done, you'll see a new section labeled Unallocated. Right-click on this unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. The new Simple Volume wizard will open. Click Next, set the volume size, you can leave it at default, then click Next again. Choose a drive letter, click Next, select the NTFS file system, and give your partition a name if you want. Click Finish, and you're done. Your new partition is now ready to use in Windows 10.